Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a workspace in Gather. First, open the Gather website and sign in to your account. After logging in, click the Create Space button to start creating a new workspace. Next, choose a workspace template. You can select the Office template or any other layout that fits your needs. After selecting the template, click Next and enter a name for your workspace. Now click Create Space. Gather will create your workspace in just a few moments. Once the workspace is ready, it will open automatically. If you see the welcome message, click Walk to my desk to continue. Your character will move to the assigned desk. Now you can move around the workspace using the W, A, S, and D keys or the arrow keys on your keyboard. On the right side of the screen, you'll see the Members panel, where you can view people who are currently in the workspace. You can explore different rooms, meeting areas, and workspaces to become familiar with the environment. That's how you can create a workspace in Gather. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more Gather tutorials and helpful tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.